In this video, I'm going to exchange Bitcoin for an altcoin called Golem. Now, on purpose, I placed an order that was so small it would pop up an error, just so you can see what happens. Typically, the minimum order is around $5, so that will change the quantity of Bitcoin as a minimum as the price fluctuates. Right now, 0.006 is typically the smallest position you can get away with when you're trying. So in this example, or rather 0.0006. So that was just below $5. By deleting the 5 and replacing with a 6, you can see the order will go through smoothly. And now I've just bought $5 worth of the Golem coin. Now again, if you try to immediately sell that Golem back into Bitcoin, you'll get a 15-minute error. You do have to wait. In the next video, I will come back and sell the Golem back into Bitcoin just to demonstrate how easy that is.